Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome back to Airstream of Utah. On this Technology Tuesday, I'm going to talk about the convection oven. Join me. The convection oven microwave in most models replaces the gas oven. Sometimes, depending on the model and the layout, you get some counter space back, but typically it's a factory upgrade. Some people choose to do it from the dealership, which is okay as well. But it's about a $475 factory upgrade to replace the gas oven with the convection oven microwave. The newest model of the Contour all-in-one convection oven microwave is a multitude of things. It's a microwave, it's a convection oven, it's a baking oven, it's an air fryer, it's a grill, it's a food dehydrator, and it can roast and it can broil. It does all the things. It's really cool. In here you have a rubberized baking tray that you can set on top of here and use it to, as a grill function up top. You can use just the tray itself and all the functions. And you can, if you need it to be closer to the top, you use it like this. If you need it to be closer to the bottom, use it like this. It sits right on top of your glass turntable there. This is a 1.1 cubic foot microwave convection oven combo. On most functions, it's about 1,000 watt output power, and it's a 1,500 watt input power, at least 1,500 watts. So you can only run this on shore power or generator power unless you've rewired your circuitry somehow and got a significant upgrade on your batteries and inverter. But it's a wonderful option. Some things to think about before deciding on this model. If you have the standard gas oven, propane gas oven, you can cook anywhere, regardless of where you're located. And you don't have to run a generator to do it. And you would also have the same functions up here on your 3-burner cooktop. If you get the convection oven upgrade, you have to be plugged into shore power or generator to use it, which is sometimes a drawback depending on how you plan to use your rig. Some people are very nervous to use the convection oven microwave because they don't understand how it cooks. From personal experience, I'm a huge fan. This is what I have in my own rig, and I've been very, very happy with it and use it to cook most of my meals. But again, I can only do that on generator or when I'm plugged into shore power. So depending on how you plan to use your rig, if you are 80% boondocking and love to bake, maybe the gas oven is the right thing for you. Half of your camping time or more spent in a park or plugged in somewhere, maybe the convection oven is right for you. It's a great option either way. If you have any questions about the convection oven microwave or gas oven or anything in between, please give us a call, send us an email, check out our website, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to meet you and show you in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.